Three anime characters. One broke his limits every single arc. One became Hokage from nothing. No clan, no bloodline, no inheritance. And one, with a single notebook, built more power than entire governments. None of them were born rich, but all three understood something about wealth that most people with a salary and a savings account will never figure out. Here's what's strange. The lessons aren't hidden in some finance book. They were playing on your screen the whole time. You just weren't watching for them. I'll show you exactly what each one understood. But first, ask yourself this. Why do some people build wealth with average incomes while others with high salaries stay broke? The answer is in these three characters, and it will probably make you uncomfortable. Goku never trained to maintain his level. He trained to break it. Every arc, he pushed past a ceiling that everyone, including his friends, said was the limit. Ultra instinct didn't come from comfort. It came from dying, literally, in the hyperbolic time chamber. The wealth parallel is brutal. Most people invest to protect what they have. Goku's lesson is that real wealth is built by people who are willing to destroy their current level to reach the next one. James Clear calls this the plateau of latent potential in atomic habits, the idea that your results lag your inputs by months, sometimes years. The people who quit think nothing is happening. The people who keep going hit ultra instinct. That's the difference. Naruto had nothing, no parents, no money, no mentor for the first 12 years of his life. What he had was a goal so specific it was almost embarrassing. He said it out loud, constantly, to people who laughed at him. Hokage, every single day. Behavioral economists call this implementation intention. When you name the goal with precision, your brain starts filtering reality for opportunities aligned with it. A 26-year-old in Mumbai who says, "I want to be wealthy someday," will stay broke. A 26-year-old who says, "I will have Rs 1 crore by 32 through skill income and index funds," her brain works differently. Naruto didn't get powerful despite the declaration. He got powerful because of it. Now, Light Yagami. This one cuts different. Light didn't have supernatural strength. He had information asymmetry. He knew something others didn't, and he used it to move while everyone else was still trying to understand what was happening. In wealth, information asymmetry is legal and available. The person who understood SIPs in 2005 before they were mainstream, the freelancer who learned video editing in 2017 before every brand needed it. The edge was never secret, it was just early. Here's the reframe that changes everything. Goku, Naruto, and Light aren't different archetypes. They're the same strategy in three costumes: break your ceiling, name your destination, move on information before the crowd does. Most people are waiting for the right moment. These three characters never waited. They made the moment. And then, they outgrew it. You've been watching the right shows. You just needed someone to translate them. If this hit, drop a comment with which character you are right now. And let's build from there.